Some breaking news now coming in from the Justice Department, which has just announced it's taking on Google in this major antitrust lawsuit, basically accusing the company of abusing its dominance in online search to try and stifle competition. I want to bring in our NBC News Justice correspondent, Pete Williams, who is looking at these breaking details. Pete, what do we know about this?
Well, this is a lawsuit just filed in federal court here in Washington by the Justice Department and 11 states accusing Google of dominating the market for online advertising by using contracts and other means to stifle competition. Now, Google hasn't yet commented on this, but it certainly saw it coming. The Justice Department and the Federal Trade Commission have been looking into Google, Facebook, Amazon, and other big tech companies for over a year. Attorney General William Barr has been outspoken about the need to file this lawsuit. He's put the Deputy Attorney General in charge of this case. And other states have been talking about suing Google. And, you know, this is a case, a strategy here that will have some bipartisan support, because not only have Republicans been critical of Google, but also have some Democrats. You may recall that when Elizabeth Warren ran for president as a Democrat in the primary, she had a plan to break up Google and Facebook and Amazon by forcing them to spin off some of their companies and invite more competition. So this will undoubtedly be a titanic legal battle. Your children will be covering this case, Hallie, because it's going to take that long to resolve in court. The last time the government moved against a dominant company in the tech industry was in the 1990s, in the early 1990s, when the Justice Department sued Microsoft. That looked like it was going to be a huge blow to Microsoft. The case ended up fizzling out with a minor settlement between the government and Microsoft. Microsoft agreed to make some modest changes in its business practices. But who knows how this will go, because these tech companies have grown so astronomically with very little government supervision or control. And now finally the federal courts are going to step in and see whether these Steam-era antitrust laws that we have can restrict the size and growth of these dominant companies.
Pete, really quickly, as this works its way through the court system, as this legal battle goes on, will people who use Google notice any difference right away or not? No, they won't, because it's going to take the lawsuit has to go through court. Google is not going to roll over immediately with a consent decree, which you often see when there's something like this. This is going to be a head-to-head huge fight. Google is going to resist this with everything it has, and it's going to take a long time to get a judgment from the court. That'll be appealed, and who knows how long all of that will last. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.